What's up, guys? I'm going to be doing a review on the Spinny Whoosh door cards. I already installed the door cards on my 350Z, so I already have all this installed. The seal for the window, some other stuff that I'll talk to you guys about later, but so these just came in. I got a thank you note, which is pretty cool. They gave me a Sour Patch Kid, which is even cooler. Spinny Whoosh sticker, that's pretty dope. Definitely gonna use that. And then here's the graphic that I got. It's actually super good quality. And it's cut out to the actual door card, so I'm not gonna have to do any cutting other than around the switches, speaker. But they do have door cards without the speaker cut out, so if you're not running speakers, then you can use those. But it's a pretty easy install. It took me a while just because the instructions aren't that great, and I'm more of a picture guy, but I did it, so I'll show you guys how to do it easily. Here are the LRB aluminum door cards. Super lightweight, super cool. They come with straps. I got the purple sparkly straps because that's dope. Who wouldn't want those? All right, it is done. I'm definitely not a professional rapper, so sides look good though. Went all the way around. Messed up right here though. You can see, as well as not getting it all the way to the edge. And in all, it looks really good. These cut out super easily. That cut out super easily. I did get that you can't even see the silver anymore. So, alright, time for the install. Alright, so this is how the door layout's gonna be. They gave you a zip tie in the package so you could zip tie this bottom piece. And then you want these to face together. So, long piece, head, long piece, head. I got the purple pull handle. It's pretty dope. Purple and sparkly. But yeah, so that's how you're gonna want to run it. In the pictures it was saying this was gonna be straight, but I angled it a little bit because this little like nub was hitting it, so I moved it out of the way. You want to make it so the one holding the strap in is not going the same way as the other ones, if you see what I mean. So the two head of the screws right there, and then one head of the screw. So you pull it like this, and it's not catching on anything right there. The wiring's horrible, I know. This is a mess. I'm gonna have to fix that later. But then you're gonna want to, so your harness, I'm pretty sure is gonna be ran down, and then right here, and then this is the last clip for the harness. So the harnesses would actually be like right in this area right here. But on the door card, they're about like right here in this section. So you're gonna wanna pull all these clips out for the harness, and then you're gonna wanna stretch it this way. I still had a clip, so I clipped it in right here. And then that gives them enough space for the harnesses to plug in right there. So that's how it's gonna look. Alright, so this is the back of the door card. This is what I did just because I have an aftermarket stereo system, and it is a little bit rattly just because it's a piece of aluminum. So if you have any cords or anything that would, you know, smack onto the door, I put these pads here so it actually has something to press up against, and you know, it doesn't make much noise. So that took away most of the noise. There is still going to be a little bit of noise just because you can't really do anything about it other than padding the entire door, which I'm not going to do. But that's a little pointer. So if you, these are like, I think I got these off of Amazon. They were the soundproofing board for walls, but they work great for the door, so that's what I threw them on right there. When you're installing the door, this little tab right here, it has a lip, and you're gonna slide the lip right into the spot where the old one went, so right between the window and the door. And as you can see right here, it's kind of slipped off, so I'm just gonna pull it this way. Boom, just like that. That's how it's gonna look. There's gonna be a screw that you put in here, or a bolt, sorry. A bolt you're putting in here, and then there's a screw that you're gonna put, instead of a bolt, you're gonna put a screw right here because there is wood on the other side of it. So a screw, a bolt, and then a bolt. And then your door panel will be on all the way. One thing, I don't know if this is with all speakers, but I have this lip right here along my speaker. So what I have been doing is actually setting it in like that. So it's set in that loop all the way around the speaker. It does have a little gap at the top, but it's not very noticeable once you actually get everything in and the door's snug. So yeah, show you when it's on. All right, one more thing I didn't show you guys. There's going to be a spacer that you put in the speaker hole. So it actually makes it so this piece doesn't actually, you know, bend into that spot. passenger side's the exact same, so I made it look a little bit nicer. You have to do the same with the wiring harness. Same thing with the lock nuts and the screws right there. And then it's the same exact thing. So it's gonna be one screw, one bolt, and it's on. Alright, don't mind the dirty car, but it's 100% finished. Looks really nice. And I love how you can see it when you're sitting down inside of the vehicle. Looks sick. Alright, well thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.